We'll guide you through how to make custom stickers on WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp, and so you want to go and make custom stickers. Stickers can be really fun to go and send to people, whether you have it in a group chat or just with one person. You can go and have your own sort of inside jokes as stickers and do different things with them. So make sure it's this full guide and you're going to go and learn how this can go and be done. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and open up a chat. So you can go and open up a chat with yourself if you want to while doing this, or it can just be with somebody else. Now, what you need to do is you need to come down to where the text box is, and you can tap on it if you want. You don't have to. And what you then want to do is go and find the sticker button. On an iPhone, it's over to the right. On an Android, it's over to the left. You want to tap on it. Now, what you need to do is go and press stickers. So at the top here, in the middle, you're going to go and see a little sort of peeling sticker, I'll describe it as. Now, I've actually already got some stickers here. You may not, but you can see I've got some custom ones here at the top. Otherwise, you're just going to go and have these different ones that WhatsApp go and provide, which aren't that fun. It can be cool to go and make your own because then they're unique for you. You may have your own things you want to go and make them with. So what you need to do is go and find that photo with the plus icon, which you can then tap on. And you can go and see your camera will then go and open up. I could find one of myself, for example, and go and tap on it. Now you're going to go and see that it actually automatically goes and removes the background, which is cool. If you want to go and keep the background, you can tap it in the bottom left though. And what you can do is go to the top right and you can go and press crop and you can go and start cropping it to your liking. You can go and press stickers at the top and you could go and put a sticker on the sticker you're currently working on if you want. And you can add emojis as well. What you can also do is go and add text if you wanted to as well. You could go and type something in. And what you can also do is, if I just go and delete that for now by tapping, holding and dragging it up, you can also go and draw on it as well. So you can go and see there are different things you can go and do with this sticker of yours. So in this case, I want it to go and be cut out, and let me just go and delete the emoji. Now what you can do is you can go and press the plus button in the bottom right, and you could go and press new and go and make a pack with it. And what we can then do is go and send it like so. And now that is going to be appearing in your stickers. So you can easily go and tap on it and go and send it again after you've done it once.